Behind me is the debut of our Widebody 1016 Industries Revuelto. Believe it or not, this entire build took 1 week to finish. 1 week. Check out this beauty. It is wrapped in a full satin silver color. It has RDB wheels on it. As you can see, looks incredible. This will closely resemble the Ferrari SF90 that we did with the blue interior. You guys saw that. It is the same wrap and the same wheels on it. Let's start in the front. You have the full front lower lip in carbon fiber. You got the middle in carbon fiber as well. And you have these right here. These are all changed. So you got about 3 different pieces on the front bumper, the OEM bumper. And then we got the side extensions that go on the bumper, which is this piece right here. This goes on the side of the bumper. And then you have a 2-piece fender. Basically, this fender, you could get it where you don't have to do wide body. And when you want to do wide body, you add on that other piece to the fender. So you have this that goes on the fender. You have the carbon fiber vents right there. And then you have obviously the biggest piece of the puzzle for the front end, the hood. We wrapped most of it in satin silver, left the top end in carbon fiber to get that really cool look. We also put these vents right here. They're, fake 3D printed vents, but they look really good on there. I've seen maybe a few of them and nobody really puts those on. You do have to trim those and get them to fit really nice, but those are on there, really adds a nice touch. But if you guys see the front wide angle view of this, it looks insane. You have the white and black interior, incredible. This car has a lot of carbon fiber throughout. You got the mirrors too. From here, you can see the good old roof scoop as well. The roof scoop goes with the design of the car, with the shape, and then you see the wing in the back. It follows like the roof line, so pretty cool design. Let's pan onto the side. And then we're gonna go over here and see this was added by 1016 as well. Carbon fiber side skirts on the bottom. And check out this wheel. Look at the fitment, incredible. Barely a finger fits in there, really, really nice. I like the angle from here because it has that over fender look where it has the opening here. So that kind of like a race car look looks really, really nice. All this was changed. So you see this piece, all of it was changed. This was added also to this. And then look at this. I mean, your door handle goes into your intake, all carbon fiber. Pretty crazy. Rear wheels, of course, even wider. Crazy fitment. This is unreal. I don't even know how it is driving. This might be one of the wildest fitments we've ever done. Of course, we did some chopping inside. We are getting no rubbing with this thing. This is the first Widebody Revuelto really I've seen driving around with LA streets with no issues. Got the wing, double wing, obviously, because we changed the bottom and we changed at this top one. What's great about this is also you have no wing error on there. You replace the motor with brackets that 1016 supplies, and the car thinks the motor is still active, but it is not. So this thing does not go up and down, stays like this. Crazy roof scoop. You can see it. This is actually a two-piece roof scoop. You got this aerodynamic line right here, and then you have obviously the roof scoop. This we screwed on and glued on, so it does not have a chance to fly off, because we heard of one flying off and we don't want that to happen, so that is secured on there really good. And then we come to the back end, you got the full diffuser. You got, obviously this is a wide body piece, so this is all extended. This is how much wider the car is from factory. So you're looking at almost about 3.5 inches. Ridiculously wide, obviously. And what's beauty about this is satin silver with carbon. You can see all the features. Before this, when you do a dark color, you don't see any of the features really, and this really exaggerates it. Satin silver has been one of our top choices for the longest time, and so thankful that we're still doing it on these cars, because it is one of my favorite wraps ever. The wheels, a lot of people are gonna probably say it's a little crazy for it. The SF90, a lot of people I thought were not gonna like it because it is the same wheels, but the SF90 hit the internet so hard, and I think it's one of the best builds we've done this year. I think this looks incredible as well. Fitment is crazy. And then obviously the beloved interior, the doors go up. You got that black and white interior. Flows with the entire car right here, carbon fiber and satin silver. So I hope you guys like it. We're not throwing any parties here. This is pretty much the main event you're seeing right here. We don't need any fancy schmancy things. This is the build speaking for itself.
Things we go through for you guys, man. Things we go through.
There's nowhere to put it on this aftermarket diffuser yet. So we still have to mount it, but we took our chances, gamble, but literally as we're getting on the freeway, he was right there. So he pulled up right behind me. I had no way out of that. So it is what it is. Another day in LA while people steal stuff, break stuff. They pulled over in $1 million car.
Yeah.
We're on the way to the party.
Just innocent people trying to make content for you guys. The law. It's the law. It's the law, but come on.
I have a Black Series quarter panel rear pocket, they call it. It's like the taillight pocket in my hands right here. We just chopped it off of the quarter panel. If you guys are following along, we have a huge C63 4-door sedan Black Series conversion project. Which is basically getting every Black Series exterior part that we could get, which is all of it. Hood, front bumper, fenders, rocker panels, rear bumper, quarter panels. The quarter panels are the craziest part because they're $12,000 each. And we are only gonna use a section of it for each side. So this is part of that, what we cut out right now. We're gonna get this project rolling. The heaviest part of it is really the quarter panels and the rear doors, because the 2-door car has the wide body, the 4-door does not, and the 2-door wide body needs to go into the rear doors of the sedan. So it's a lot of work. Everything else is gonna be pretty much bolt-on, because the fenders go on there, the hood, the bumpers will all go bolt-on. The quarter panels and the rear door are the tricky parts, so we're gonna tackle that first. We are getting to work right now. You remember this?
Bro, what was that? Oh yeah. That was fun.
There's a man. Oh my god, go back.
Nice, here we go.
Right here.
Finishing up the headliner. As you guys can see, the seats are already out. We have nice Recaro seats inside.
See, that was poor Moses. This is rich Moses.
Dude, you guys go back. You know we've been doing this for a while. When you can go back to our videos, and everybody looks 20 years younger.
Yeah.
And has hair.
No stress, skinnier, 100%. Oh, everything was so much better back then, but we're still blessed. Thank you. Rich Moses, that was poor Moses.
coffee.
They promised you coffee?
Yeah, we ordered coffee from 8 o'clock in the morning with Vic.
What time is it right now?
It's almost 11. It's almost 12. I guess he didn't order this shit.
Yell at him. Right there.
Vic, what is the coffee? Yes, I told you, he forgot. He used to like that. And today is cold, bro.
Yeah, it's raining.
It's raining and it's cold.
All right, we are here with another Urus SC. This one is a gloss black example. You guys already know the first one we did was kind of like a prototype. It's here. We're gonna be redoing that car, but this is a car that's been on order from a long time ago, so we are getting it done. We are still technically using prototype flares. So essentially, 1016 made like 3 prototype flares, and instead of wasting time and waiting for the real ones to come in, we're jumping into it already with those, and we are actually fixing them all to make them not prototype anymore. So as you see, they're still carbon, but all this we added to it to make them all good. As you guys know, the new kit, the carbon fiber is separate, so that adds another variable of work for us. You got to make the carbon fit really, really nice, and look at that, fits really nice now. And of course, all of it has to sit flush on the car. So Luis is doing his thing, making it all flush. This kit is a little bit tougher than the previous Urus models, but we're gonna get it done. We have 3 more waiting to do on. So yeah, brand new Urus SC, getting wide-bodied, only at RDB.